everyone, welcome back. If the Lloyds app keeps having problems after a recent update, it may be due to compatibility or the installation errors. First, start by restarting your phone to refresh system processes. Then, head over to your app store, open it, search for the app, and make sure that you have completed the update successfully. Then check if your phone's operating system requires an update to support the latest version of the app. And then on Android devices, cleaning up the app's cache can help resolve the post-upgrade glitches. If the issue continues again, uninstall the Lloyds app and reinstall the latest version from the official app store, then log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.